Welcome back to another Tri-State Trifecta. Today we're going to be unboxing the GoPro Fusion. There is an update to this camera called the Fusion Max, but this is available on Amazon currently at $199.99. Be advised, it does require 2 SD cards, so you want to make sure you want to order those when you order the camera. GoPro does not have a case for it, a protective case like the Hero 7 or the Hero 8 or any other GoPro that they made, but there is a company that does sell a case for it, a protective case that you can put on to go biking or whatnot, and it'll protect the camera. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay, so let's get started. So it's GoPro Fusion 360 is a 360 cam. This down to a side. You get the camera. Form factor is kind of heavy on the heavy side. It's not too light, but it does have integrated support for it. The support, you can take it out. More on that later. Now here's the thing. The lenses protrude from the body. So what you want to do is, you don't want to lay it down on anything. You want to use the case that comes with the device. It's a soft plastic, it's not hard, but it will protect the camera when you lay it down. So you don't have to worry about that. It does come with instructions just like everything else. Gotta have your GoPro stickers. Comes with 2 mounts. Does have the 3M sticky on the bottom. Mounts are kind of big. It's good to mount side. I don't know if you have a surfboard or if you want to mount it on your car. They're rather large. I wouldn't mount them on my helmet. I use the other GoPro mounts for that. But you do get them. You get both. It does have a it does have a USB Type C cable attachment. Here's another little thing. It does have. Comes with an integrated GoPro tripod. It folds out. Folds out with magnets. You can twist to lock it. It's about, I don't know, about 2 feet, maybe 1.5 feet. Nice little add-on, you know, hold it out. It's pretty good. The device has a battery. I already put it in here. Battery's a little bit longer than your average GoPro battery. It does have the 2 memory cards in there. That's where they go. On the battery, here's a nice little feature. It says SD1 and SD2. It tells you so you don't get them confused. Because where their placement is, you can't mix the cards. You gotta keep them in the same place, right? And that's it. It's the GoPro Fusion 360 unboxing.